Oh my goodness, the kids are going to love this. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this really cool kitchen playset. Eleanor's like, what is this? This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So, full disclosure, took us what, an hour to put it together?
Yep.
So there was two of us assembling it. Jamie and I worked on this together, and it took about an hour. It is pretty solid. Like it's particle board.
It is.
But it's very solid. Like it's
absolutely.
very solid and sturdy. Yeah, when you push it like that. Like look, it's sturdy.
You can tell. I mean, it's solid wood pieces.
It's got open the door. It's even got little hooks for the doors, so the doors stay shut, which is cool. So it's got a microwave, a refrigerator.
Ice maker.
Yeah, check out the ice maker. The coolest part of this. Check this out. It's ice. Look at it!
Would you like two?
Yeah, sure. 2 pieces of ice. Oh, thanks. Eleanor's like, oh, I love the ice maker. That's my favoriteest thing.
Yeah. What about the dials?
Yeah, what do you think? There's dials? It comes with all of the stuff that you see here, like everything you see here, the pots and pans. This was really cool. The salt and pepper shaker. These are solid wood, like real wood. I know, Eleanor. Eleanor's like, what? Can I actually touch this stove?
What are we doing?
Ready? Hey, look. A stove Kira's not afraid of. So there's batteries that go in this part, and these make noise. And if you push them again, it turns them off.
So you guys sizzle up some carrots.
It came with all of these wooden little
lemon pieces,
fruits and vegetables. Came with a little dish towel. Came with all of these little utensils. There's some plates up here as well. Look at it.
Oh, gotta go
Coffee cups. Oh yeah, the cutting board and the knife.
Oh gosh. Check it out.
Yeah, that's how you do it. It comes with an oven mitt for when you get your stuff out of the oven. It also comes with a chef's hat and an apron. There you go, frying up some good stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh, I didn't realize they shake. Oh. Oh my goodness.
Oh, perfect.
This is way too cute. And then the light stays on until you push the button. When you push the button, it turns off. There we go, into the sink.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you gotta put it on a plate, sir. Serve it up. There you go. It's like restaurant quality right here. Look at that.
Okay, now I'm doing the dishes.
Oh my goodness. This is kind of cool. So it's got an oven, and you can open the oven, and it's got a little tray in there. And then from this, these, they make noise when they turn. This is a dishwasher when you open it from this side. But if you want to wash your clothes, come over here to this side. And now you can wash your clothes. I love that this one has a door that it holds open. Oh, there you go.
And you're gonna need to wash your clothes because you get
apron.
an apron.
Your apron and your chef's hat.
And a chef's hat.
And then you can put them in the washing machine. And these again turn and make all kinds of cool noise. Why is this so cool? Oh my goodness. What do you think? What do you think? I think Charlotte and John Matthew are going to love it. The ice maker is my favorite thing. My favorite thing. And like I said, it took us about an hour, the two of us. The directions were a little confusing. That is my favorite. The directions were a little confusing, but with the two of us working on it, like I said, took us about an hour. Not too bad. We did use an electric screwdriver. That definitely helped. I love it.
Yep,
it's adorable. I am in love with it. I can't wait to give it to the kids. Oh, we definitely recommend this.